Yo guys,
What now, David?
I'm going to go to the tornado shelter, okay?
Okay, be careful, don't want you to get hurt.
Let's get in now. Today is foggy out here. I hope some tornadoes form today. Last week, the Elmore tornado was 3.6 miles wide. It broke the record of the El Reno tornado, which was 2.6 miles wide.
Hey David, doing okay?
Frank, you scared me. Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, sorry. Also, there's going to be a lot of storms this week, so be prepared.
Yeah, I know. Call you back later.
Alright, I'm going to Prior Lake to get groceries. I'm not sure if